I'm at the turner's place and I'm very happy that this is the first time in my entire life that I've seen a gentleman using a dial gauge on the machine to level the true line for the timing shaft, and I really appreciate and I'm happy that I bought it to him today, and to be done way long back. But nevertheless, this is the second crank which I had actually called in from a friend of mine from Kerala, and this is getting done. This is the first crank of mine which is still not true out of the setting. I don't know, when the bike was installed, the crank was, there's a mark here. Yeah, this is the mark here. It's out from here, and there's something out from here. So whenever we're coupling the engine and not fastening it up, so the chambers are dancing like this when I'm having a 360 run. And this is, I hope this is going to be the best work. Kunal, ये है condition crank का, and this is like इसकी फिटिंग बिल्कुल अगर ये गेयर्स नहीं लगे हैं टाइमिंग कवर, मैंने इसको जस्ट थोड़ा सा टाइट करके रखा है मामूल सा, एंड दिस इज हाउ द बैलेंस इज नॉट टेकिंग रेस्पॉन्स ओवर इट. हल्की सी आवाज़ आ रही है. ये 2 गियरों की है.